First of all, we need a BioThane cutter, a snap hook or a carabiner, our great rope clamps in the video in a brass color, and of course BioThane Coated Rope. We have chosen the color wine red in the video. And last but not least, our life hack tool, a normal gripper or pliers. The first step is to measure the length of the coated rope by hand, in my case around 2.5 meters, and then cut it cleanly with the BioThane cutter. Take the carabiner and guide one end of your coated rope through the ring of the carabiner. Then take the other end of your rope tier and feed it through a rope clamp. Guide the rope clamp to the other end where you have just attached the carabiner. Now take the second short end that sticks out of the ring of the carabiner and also thread it into the rope clamp. Adjust it a little how you want it, but make sure that the short end comes all the way through the rope clamp and peeks out again at the end. It should end up looking something like mine. Now we come to the life hack. Take your gripper and simply press the sides of the rope clamp together. Press harder so that the brass bends. Once you have pressed the two sides together, press again exactly between the two pieces of coated rope. You should then end up with an 8-shaped rope clamp that encloses both ropes. Now we go to the other side and turn our attention to the hand strap. Take the second clamp and thread it through one end again. Bring the clamp to about 15 or 30 centimeters of the rope and form a loop like I did here. Make sure that the second end of the rope finds its way all the way through the rope clamp again. Now press the clamp together again with the gripper from above and from the side as firmly as possible. Congratulations to you. Your coated rope leash is now ready. That was easy, wasn't it? As always, you can find the links to the materials in the video description. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up or a comment. And if you want to see more from us, then subscribe to the channel or have a look at our website, worring-leader.de. I'll say goodbye and wish you a great crafting experience.